Hello everyone, I am Pramod from Indian English Speaking Class Tariyari. So guys, once again you all are welcome on Indian English Speaking Class Tariyari. So guys, as you know well that I am trying to teach you how to improve your English language, and basis of that guys, I am trying to give you a lot of speech. The base of speech, how you can speak any speech in front of any person or in any party or in any function, right? So for that guys, as I told you that first of all you will have to learn many speech actually, and speech should be a different and that should be very simple in your language. And before speaking any speech, first of all you will have to know well about that in your native language, right? नेटिव लैंग्वेज मीन्स व्हाट? सबसे पहले यदि आप कोई भी स्पीच बोलना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए ज़रूरत है कि आप अपनी मातृभाषा में उस स्पीच को प्रॉपर तरीके से तैयार करके रखें। 5 मिनट का एटलीस्ट स्पीच आप रेडी रखें, एंड देन द बेसिक इंग्लिश विथ वट एवर यू नोज, जो भी बेसिक चीज़ें आपको आती हैं इंग्लिश की, उन चीज़ों को बेस बना करके उस पर ट्राई आप करें। और I think once and twice if you trying, surely you will get success how to speak any speech, right? And as I told you that how you have to address the people wherever you are speaking your speech, right? For example, if you are speaking these things in front of any party, first of all you have to address the people available in the party, right? And if you are speaking this speech in front of any public, like if you speaking these things on any function, actually first of all you have to address the people and the guest whoever are present there, right? And the base of presenting yourself in front of the people, I told you many times in all my speech, whichever I given you, whichever I write in you. And basis of that guys, if you try, I am sure you can speak this language very well. There is no problem at all, right? But for that guys, what I many times told you, you have to be confident, right? Without confidence guys, you can't speak anything else. And you always have to have a good confidence in your mind, and then only you will be able to speak this language. And guys, sometimes whenever you speak any Hindi language also, for example, if you are a person in which area Hindi language or Bhojpuri language or any other language or speaks, so that language you can speak confidently because you know well that language, right? And the person who do not know how to speak any language, he cannot speak that language fluently. So for that, what he have to do? First of all, he will have to have a good knowledge about that language. If he would have a good language knowledge, then he will be able to speak this language or that language, right? In the same way guys, if you want to speak English language, first of all, you will have to have a good knowledge about it, and then you will be able to speak this language, right? So for these things guys, I am running 4-5 series on this channel, right? And as you know well, there is 4-5 series on my channel. First is conversation, means in which I am trying to give you many general question answers, how to speak in English, question and answers, right? Another series is speech, well, and another series is phrases and clauses. Another series is trick and translation. So these series are also important to read and to learn actually, right? Without these series, without these basic things, you also will not be able to speak this language, okay? So first of all, you have to learn that things in a different manner, means you will have to retain or you have to learn. Whatever power, whatever capacity you have to try your level best to learn those things, and then you can speak speech also in front of any person, okay? So guys, these things I wanted to tell you, and if you try your level best, I support you. I will help you guys that you can learn this language, and whether you are going in any higher level institution to learn this language, they also teach you like this. Okay, but for that, guys, you will have to be confident in yourself, and without being confident in yourself, you can't learn any language, whether you are going to learn Hindi or easiest language of the world, right? So that's all, guys, that's I wanted to tell you, and I hope you can understand these things whatever I told you, and meeting in the next video from some special tricks and topics, and till that time period, guys, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.